Hello, this video is going to show you how to make your hair smell good. I've got 2 techniques for using the incredible aromas from essential oils. Those are the natural essences that come from flowers and plants, and they're going to make your hair smell great and lift your mood as well. My name's Amelia, and this is the Essential How-To channel, where I love to amplify your sense of feeling good with your home, your health, and your attitude. Everything that I'm going to talk about today you'll find linked to down below, so be sure to check that out, and while you're there, please hit that subscribe button as well. Essential oils come from nature, like from rose petals or jasmine flowers, or even from the wood of sandalwood trees. In fact, they're really great for using your hair, but not everybody thinks about using them that way, so let me show you how. In these 2 techniques I'm going to describe, I'll give you all you need to know to enjoy these scents and use them safely in your hair. There are so many different scents to choose from. I really like Roman chamomile. It's like a hug from my summer garden, and I love putting that in my hair. I also use essential oil blends like jasmine, cinnamon, ginger, and clove, all mixed together with vanilla. It's really delicious, and it makes me feel fantastic. Jasmine was actually one of the oils that Cleopatra, the Queen of Egypt, used in her famous beauty regimen. The Egyptians used so many oils, including geranium, and that's one of the oils that I'll talk about in the following steps. Stick around to the end of this video and I'm going to give you some bonus essential oil hair care tips, as well as how to get your hands on my favorite oils right away. Let's jump in. It's worth saying, not only will your hair smell good using these techniques, but we know that essential oils can generate positive feelings and confidence. Science actually supports this. I have experienced this again and again. I rely on these oils for helping me feel good, and the many people I've shared them with give me the same information. They love these oils and they use them all the time. Not just for their beauty, not just for their hair, not just for their skin. They also use them simply to make them feel good. See the link in the description for more information about the science behind this, so you'll get a double benefit from using these techniques. Your hair will smell good, but you'll feel good too. Win-win. Technique number 1, use pre-mixed roller bottles with your favorite scent. Now you can make them yourself. You can buy these roller bottles online and you can add a few drops of essential oils and then a carrier oil. Carrier oils are the things that help your body integrate and use the oils better. So fractionated coconut oil or almond oil or jojoba oil, you can use those and create your own. But I like to go ahead and buy these that are already made. This one is jasmine. I just love this, and it's so easy to use in your hair. So let me show you how to do that. Simply roll it in your hand like that, warm it up, and put it into your hair, and that's it. Now your hair has a boost of great smelling floral aroma, and it's really easy to use, really easy to carry around with you all day too. I also talked earlier about passion. Passion is that blend that is jasmine and clove, ginger, cinnamon, vanilla. It's like a really great perfume. And that one you can use the same way. Roll it into your hand and just add it to your hair. These pre-made roller bottle scents are linked down below in the description. So check that out if you want to get some right away. So you might actually like more simple oils. So maybe you just want to use a lavender or a peppermint. You can get those too in these pre-made bottles. Links to all of these are down below in the description. Another thing you can do once you have rolled those oils onto your hand is just put your hand up to your nose like a tent. Breathe in 3 deep breaths, and that's a way to get the benefits of those oils into your system and making you feel good. Now we're going to move on to tip number 2, and after that, I've got some bonus ideas for you as well. Tip number 2, very easy to do every single time you wash your hair. When it's time to condition, you put the conditioner in the palm of your hand and simply add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Mix it all up together and moisturize your hair and condition it as you normally would. Now I have sort of curly hair, and what I like to do is actually leave that conditioner, a little bit of it, in my hair, not wash it all out. So what are some good oils to use for this technique? Try geranium and rosemary. Down below in the description, I have links to videos where I talk all about how to use geranium and rosemary and why they're good for your hair. Other good oils to use? Well, like I said, I love that Roman chamomile. If you want an extra boost in the morning, try using peppermint. Peppermint will really give you an invigorating feeling in your scalp and really help wake you up. Here's something to be careful about. If you use a citrus oil, it could actually change the color of your hair. So go online, check that out, and make sure that's really something that's going to work for your hair type. So there are 2 tips. Using pre-made roller bottles, down in the description you can find links to these exact oils, and also using your own essential oils, add it to your conditioner and putting it in your hair. Okay, now for some bonus tips. Now some people have really smelly hair, and there can be a couple of reasons for that. One might be because you have something going on with your scalp, or another reason might be because you're using your hair dryer way too hot. If that's the case, try washing your hair with baking soda. And check it out online first to make sure that that technique is going to be okay for your hair type. All right, bonus number 2, essential hair care how-tos using essential oils. Check out the link below. That will take you right to a website that will give you all kinds of ideas for how to use essential oils for making your own conditioner or hair mask or hairspray. There are other ways you can use these essential oils for home, health, and attitude. So be sure to check out the other videos on this channel to give you lots of ideas for using your essential oils.